Hi everyone, welcome back to new video. So guys, in this video I will tell you one very good opportunity coming from FundsonUp. And guys, this is bootcamp and works on the model of pay after placement. So no need to pay any single rupees until get you placed. And guys, minimum salary offered by them is 5 LPA and maximum will be 40 LPA, clearly they mentioned. And duration for this course is 4 months only, and after 4 months guys they start referring to you in a product based companies, and companies are based on USA, UK, and all companies are product based guys. And what are the required qualification and skills for this opportunity guys? So any graduate can apply for this opportunity, like if you are in final year or a recent graduate can apply for this opportunity. And batches guys, 2019 to 2022 means 2019, 2020, 2021 and 2022 batches can apply for this opportunity, and any branches can apply for this opportunity. Like if you are from mechanical civil branches, they can also apply for this opportunity guys. And there is no any coding skills on any prerequisite for this opportunity, so you can simply apply for this opportunity. And few more important point about this bootcamp guys, lifetime access will be there, so no need to worry. Like if you once get placed, so no need to worry about switching companies, or if you face any problem you company, okay. And due to any reason guys, if you left the job, so no need to worry about fees, okay, and everything, okay. Once you contact them, they will start refer to you in a new companies, and again your ISA will start resume, okay. So these are the few important points about this opportunity, okay. So we will discuss in details. So now let's start with our today videos, okay. So here you can see right now in the screen, so FundsonUp start your tech careers and pay after first salary and 100% placement with minimum package of 5 LPA, and cohort start on 6th of February, but guys try to apply before 30th of January this month, okay. So these are the few important date about this opportunity. And before telling out admission and selection process guys, let me tell you about the courses, okay. So here you can see right now in the screen courses structure they have mentioned. We train student in most demanding web technology, which helps student to start their career in product company like Amazon, Flipkart, Payment, Swiggy, Razorpay, Zomato, etc, okay. So these are the few product based company they refer, okay. After completion of the courses, duration will be 4 months, we have already discussed, okay. And here you can see some mandatory skills and specialization and soft skills, okay. So mandatory skills guys like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, data structure and algorithm. DSA is very important for all the company, okay. And specialization, you can choose career path as a front-end and back-end developer. So back-end skills are Node.js, MongoDB, REST API, microservice architectures, and front-end skills like React, hooks in React API integration, JSX, and stage management. And soft skills like English speaking, group discussion, presentation, decision, okay. So these are the helpful for interview, okay. So they also guide you how to crack interview and how to deal with interviewers and how to negotiate about the salary, okay. So all these things they will guide you guys. And you can see the duration of the courses for backend developer. You can see first week what are the modules they're gonna cover. So duration will be 16 months only for backend and same for front end. So you can see week wise modules are divided what you gonna learn. And guys, how many hours are needed in a day? So you can see day schedule, total 9 hours dedicated to web developments on a basic basis, okay. Like 2 to 3 hour theory and conceptual learnings, and 2 to 3 hour mentor sessions, doubt solving, interview preparation, and 4 hour practice learning, okay. So total 9 hours. Like after completion of these courses guys, you are fit for working. Like in IT companies, working duration will be 9 hours, okay. Many of you are knowing about this. So these are the few advantages of fee structure guys. Already we have discussed minimum salary will be 5 LP and maximum will be 14 LP, okay. And let me tell you the few names who student secure more than 5 LPA the salary. And his name Jay Sardar, he secure a package of 24 LPA, is the highest package. And second one guys, name is Mayank Atari, and highest package will be 18.5 LPA. And these two students are from IIT Guwahati and NIT Rourkela, okay. So these are the students who score higher package. And second one promise us to pay a fixed amount in a duration of 36 months, okay. Already I have told you about this. Like duration for payment fee is 3 year 36 month, and percentage will be like 10 to 13% only, okay. And for women candidate guys, there is a offer like 50% will be the off for female candidate in your fee. Starting guys, no need to pay any single rupees, so clearly they mentioned 0 fee, okay. And guys, if you want to know about the mentors, okay, so here you can see learning from industry expert who are already working in a product based company. So first, Parul Misra, he is working in Goldman Sachs, and Akash Agrawal, FundSnap, he is a team of FundSnap, and Saurabh Bagresha, MongoDB, and Akansha Jain, American Express. So these are the mentors already working in product based company. And here you could see take skilling for salary, Element Networks, lifelong skill upgrade. Okay, so lifetime access will be there, guys, so no need to worry about this opportunity. Okay, get personalized one-to-one mentorship from representative global tech giant to startups, CTOs, varieties of students. Our placement holders backend range from IIT Element to art graduate, get placed in MNC startup to US based jobs. Okay, so these are the few things I have already tell you. Okay, and here you can see, guys, important things like about the courses structure, live doubt session, pay once after securing a package of at least 5 LP, and no prior coding skills are needed for this opportunity. Your placement our responsibility. So these are the few important and good point about this opportunity. And recent placed student are, guys, Prem Dhan, and he placed in Razor Pay, and second one Shekhar, he placed in KC Overseas, and third one Rahul, he placed in Skyer. So these are the, if you scroll right to left, so you can see many are the students who placed from this platform. Okay, and application process, guys, apply for admission, register your phone numbers, fill basic details about yourself, fill out educational details, attempt entrance exam, crack admission interview, complete basic programming. So it's not everyone gonna select for this opportunity, but you can try, they gonna select a few students. Okay, so although we have discussed all the main highlights about this opportunity, so how you can apply, guys, you can see in above apply for admission intakes. So first you have to fill your first name, last name, and fill your WhatsApp number, and tick this one and get OTP, and verify your contact numbers, and after that start filling application form. Okay, so if you are already registered, just click on login here. Okay, and after that fill your WhatsApp number, get OTP, and do further process, and simply apply for this opportunity, guys. Okay, and if you face any problem, guys, you can do comments, and you can directly contact us on Instagram. So guys, both apply link and Instagram link given in video description, so check description for more information, guys. And also before submitting the form, make sure that you are rechecking your form so that there will be no mistake. Okay, guys.